My name's Carrie and I'm the director of B. Thornton and Sons Limited. HSE contacted me and said, would I be prepared to speak to another bakery, a local bakery, as they were undergoing the same investigation, same problems with the extraction, and even though they can't recommend anybody, but could I speak to them? And I said, yes, absolutely. So when we actually had the installation, the commissioning of the machine, I contacted the bakery and asked them if they'd like to come in and see the machine in operation, and they came straight away. Within 20 minutes they were here, and it was great for them, so they could have that insight. They could see the machine in operation as well, not just a picture of it or in a magazine or having that information from Bob. It was great for that. So I'd be more than happy if I could help anybody out there, bakeries, to prevent them from being in our situation. I'm more than happy to chat with them and share my experience and let them know what we had to implement, because it wasn't just buying an extraction unit, it was a lot more than that. It's ensuring, like for the staff, it's making sure that they have their lung capacity test done and the skin surveillance test done, and different procedures that we had to write, different policies, yes, I'm more than happy for that, but ultimately it is the extraction system that HSE are looking at. Just the rest have just been so helpful and yeah, absolutely wonderful. So